The journey of a prompt to an answer. When we write a prompt and send it to a model like ChatGPT-4, we're interacting with a large language model, LLM. But what exactly is an LLM, and how is it created, trained, tested, and eventually released to the world? A large language model like ChatGPT-4 is essentially a massive system built from billions of data points and sophisticated algorithms. It starts with a collection of an enormous amount of information, everything from websites and digital books to Wikipedia articles. This data serves as the foundation for the AI's knowledge. To make this vast amount of information understandable to a computer, every word within this data is converted into a number. This numerical representation is known as a vector. Vectors are multidimensional, meaning they have multiple components that represent different aspects of a word's meaning. Words with similar meanings are assigned vectors that are close to each other in this multidimensional space. For example, words like rain, vapor, and clouds will have vectors that are near each other because they are conceptually related. On the other hand, words with different meanings are given vectors that are far apart, allowing the AI to arrange words in the vector space based on their semantic relationships. You can think of this vector space as a vast map where words with similar meanings are clustered together, while words with different meanings are positioned far apart. However, many words can have different meanings depending on the context. Take the word rain, for instance. It can refer to the physical phenomenon of water falling from the sky, or it can be used metaphorically to describe an abundance of something, as in the phrase, "When it rains, it pours." To account for these variations, AI assigns each word multiple dimensions, up to 12,288 for a single word in some cases. This allows the AI to understand the different meanings a word can have in various contexts. When using ChatGPT-4, the model works with a vocabulary that includes around 50,000 tokens. A token is essentially a piece of a sentence, which could be a whole word or just part of a word. For example, in the sentence, "It was raining tonight," each word is treated as a token, and the entire sentence forms a part of the model's vocabulary. The algorithms. Mimicking the human brain. AI algorithms are designed to mimic the way billions of neurons in the human brain work together in a network. In the brain, each layer of neurons processes specific pieces of information. Some neurons might focus on recognizing shapes, others on sound, and others on context. Similarly, in AI, each layer of the neural network has a specific role. When AI receives a prompt like, "What causes rain?" the first layer might identify and process the individual words, "What causes rain?" The next layer assigns meaning to each word, understanding that rain refers to the weather phenomenon, and further layers grasp the overall context, understanding that the question is asking about the cause of rain. To generate an answer, the AI then predicts the response word by word. It starts with something like, "Rain is caused by," and continues predicting the next words to form a coherent and relevant explanation based on its training. During training, the model is given a question along with the correct answer. The AI processes the question through its neural network, predicting the answer word by word. If the predicted answer isn't close or similar to the correct answer provided by the developers, the model repeats the process, adjusting its parameters, even millions of times, until it can generate the correct answer. After this rigorous training, the model undergoes extensive testing to ensure it can handle a wide variety of prompts. Once it consistently produces accurate responses, the model is released for public use. This long journey of development, training, and testing takes a lot of time and effort. But now, thanks to this extensive process, we can ask AI almost anything, and it will answer instantly and accurately.